Ladies and gentlemen, how you doing today? This is Mac Darrell / Rapid Chef. Today I'm actually unboxing my case that I pre-ordered weeks before the phone. It didn't come till today. I was upset. No, I'm happy. It's here. Usually it comes very quick. So today, ladies and gentlemen, we're introducing the Unicorn Beetle Pro Black case for the Note 8. Let's dig right in. I already opened it. I couldn't wait for the camera to set up. So today the features of this case, let's just start out first. Let me start out. 19 bucks. I paid for this on Amazon. Great value for your money. You can't lose like some people who's selling a Tech 21 case for $44. T-Mobile. God damn. So let's get into the features of this case. So this case got shock resistant when you drop the phone. Don't worry about your phone going nowhere. I'm kind of concerned about the S Pen, because when your phone do drop, the S Pen tend to shoot right out. Don't know why it does that, since it has that click. So what I love about this case is the fact that it has a plastic screen protector. Got a hard plastic right there that protect your screen, and it's built in. You don't have to, if you don't like it, if you're not getting the response you need, you can always push it out. It won't hurt the phone if you push it out and just go with the front frame to go over the phone. You get a carry holster. You get a carry holster with this baby right here. It got a 360 turn on the snap that goes on your belt, and it gives you a good grip. It won't fall off. Trust me. If this case damaged, you tell me which case this fall off, and I'll literally pay for this case for you. That's no lie. That's how much protection is guaranteed. This is the back. So let me go ahead and put my note in there. Look at that baby. Oh my God, so beautiful. So what you want to do, you want to place one side in first, just like that. Then you push the other side in. When you put it in, the button won't be exposed, because in here you have the little buttons, the little push outs that push the button. Okay, so usually it's not hard. You can go on YouTube. You got the QR code, scan that, automatically pop the video up YouTube. So what you gonna do, I usually slide it in from the top just like that, and then I just work my way around each corner. Make sure it fits in perfectly, all the slots. Make sure it sits nicely, just like that. All right, there we go. You got a perfectly protected Note 8 best phone. And what let me tell you, ladies and gents, the button is so soft. You can just bam, one press, the volume rocker, the Bixby. I turn that off because I hate when I hit the button by accident and Bixby just launched. Didn't need it. Why did you launch? Okay. One more feature I wanted to show everybody with the camera, with the lock button. What you can do, once you hit it one time, right, it opens. If you hit it twice, the rear camera open. Again, if you want to do a selfie, just hit it 2 more times and it flips for the selfie. So 2 times where, 2 more times selfie. That's what I'm talking about. Easy. I've discovered that just now doing the video because I accidentally hit it, and I'm like, oh wow, look what we got. So ladies and gentlemen, oh yeah, and just to introduce, this is one of my artwork. I'm working on 3D artwork. This is my 3D spider. Now I get the Note, I can do more artwork on my Note on the go. Thank you, Samsung. Great phone. Yeah, I think you could do a little better with the fingerprint scanner, but overall it's a great phone. I enjoyed it. I hope whoever bought it like it, and who's gonna buy it, I hope this video helped you to buy it. So this is the Unicorn Beetle Pro Black case for the Note 8. Hit subscribe and like, share my video with friends and family if I help you out to protect your investment, because these phones these days are $1,000, ladies and gentlemen. You can buy a car with that money. Just saying. So protect your investment. Great protection for your phone. The S Pen slides out real easy, no biggie. There we go. Drop it in. It's okay. These fit in perfectly. Got the glass protector. Hard. It's not so hard, but it's okay. There we go. All around. Right here we got the lift the two lift so your screen don't directly directly touch the surface. All right, ladies and gentlemen, Mac the Rail. The link will be below. Check it out.